Oh, I saw some vapor. Heavily intake scrub. Yeah, we're gonna see it. Oh, it's running. We got a trigger. We can kill it. Kill it, yeah. You can see the vapor in the intake.
Can you?
Yeah, you can. Did you see it?
No.
What do you mean you didn't see that?
I'm looking for fire. Okay, did you catch?
I don't know. I think I hit buttons.
It was running rigs and sputters, stuff. So I opened the choke up so it leaned out to make sure it started running smooth.
Like it was actually supposed to be used?
Well, yeah, that's where it's supposed to work. I didn't know there'd be bubbles back here.
Oh, look at that. You see it?
Yeah.